Welcome to this platform tutorial video. What's going on, everybody? This is Jai Gallo with Platform, and in today's video we are going to be showing you how you can change your password for your Platform account. There's lots of reasons why you want to change your password. You should actually have your passwords on a schedule that you're changing them all the time. Standard practice, every month to every 3 months, you should be changing your passwords for all of your accounts for security. So we're going to show you how to do that today for your Platform account. If at the end of this video you have any questions about how to reset your password, or you have any questions about anything else inside your Platform account, you can go to the support hub, and you're going to be presented with a bunch of FAQs, frequently asked questions. These are drop-down menus. I'm going to go to the second one here, and you can check it out, and you can join our live stream. This is a live stream where we'll answer everybody's questions and get everybody taken care of and have any kind of brainstorming session to help you better utilize Platform. If you have a really unique question, you can chat with us live by clicking chat with us. It's going to present you with a private chat, and this is a one-way direct link right to us to ask us anything. You can also submit a ticket, or you can click help docs at the top here, and it's going to take you to our knowledge base, where you can go through all of our technical documentation to get more in-depth help on all the features that Platform has to offer. So now let's go ahead and reset your password. To reset your password, what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to the settings up in the upper right-hand corner. You're going to click setting, and you're going to be presented with the password reset. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter in your old password, and then you're going to enter in your new password. And then you're going to re-enter your new password just to confirm it. And then you click reset. At the top here, you can see password is updated, and you can go ahead and log out and log back in utilizing that new password. And guess what? You have just reset your password inside of your Platform account. That's all that's to it. Super simple. And if you have any questions about this, hit us up in the Platform support hub in the live chat, and we will get you fixed up so that you can have a streamlined process using Platform for your business. And until then, I will talk to you on the next tutorial video.